Hey, I'm Dwight Streu, the Dwight Streu Real Estate Team. I've been a realtor in Edmonton since 1987. Wanted to give you a little bit of an update in terms of what happened in the market in Edmonton in 2025. Perhaps we can look for some clues, give us an idea where the market perhaps is headed in 2026. Well, listen, it's the new year, and a lot of people ask me, hey, what's the real estate market? And in a word, nothing. It is quiet this time of year, but nothing to worry about. It always is. And we're just busy digging ourselves out from a few dumps of snow, paying off credit cards, and things are going to get rock and rolling here pretty quick. But let's have a look back at 2025 and see what happened. So first of all, if we look at the overall sales for 2025, they were actually down over 2024. So we had a decrease of 6.2% in terms of the number of homes selling, the volume of homes selling down 6.2%. Also had an increase in inventory. Number of listings taken over the year actually up 7.2%. So that's a combination that typically means there's more pressure on prices, but we did not see prices decline as maybe you would expect with those types of numbers. Overall, the prices actually were positive, depending on the type of property and the location. For the most part, they went up somewhere between 4 and 5%, which is a really healthy, sustainable number. And so I'm grateful for that. There were some crazy times in spring where we did see prices going up more than that, but then they kind of pulled back once we got more into the summer and the fall market. So what lies ahead? Can we expect the same price increases going forward in 2026? Maybe. The reason I say maybe is we're already starting off with more inventory than we had at this time last year. So we're up about 30% in terms of the actual inventory on the market. Now, of course, the other side of that equation is how many home sales are going to be. I don't know. Nobody can predict that. But, again, we did see home sales this last year actually be lower. And so I'm not concerned that we're going to see prices decline. But I don't know that we'll see even necessarily the 4 to 5%. I think that would kind of be a best case scenario. Could be a little bit less than that. Really, it's really hard to predict this time of year. Things are just so quiet. And I tell my clients that we're really not going to know until the next few weeks in terms of how busy we can maybe expect the market to be when we get into the spring market. So stay tuned. Next month, maybe we'll have a little bit more data, a little bit better idea in terms of what the market might look like for the year ahead. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a terrific 2026.